So right back at you. Getting cold outside, man. Shit. So right back at you guys. Bob from Food Use, and I just came back from the red-headed lady, the beautiful red-headed lady, who I call Wendy. And Wendy was making me hungry. I was tossing and turning all night thinking about Wendy, because Wendy is getting spicy. You know, Wendy has some spiciness and some spicy stuff going on. So I couldn't resist the spiciness because, oh man, I just heard about the new Asiago Ranch Club spicy chicken sandwich that I don't know if it came out recently or what, but I see it's on their website. So the Wendy's at lunchtime was packed like hell. I couldn't went through the drive-through, and so I got myself one of them. All right, I got the spicy version of the Asiago. Now I never tried the Asiago. Why is this thing blurry, man? God damn, hold on. Let me see. I can clear this camera thing here. All right, a little better, you know. All right, so I got my Asiago Ranch spicy chicken sandwich. And as you can see there, it looks kind of tempting. You see? It looks kind of tempting. Kind of beautiful. Yeah, and you can see, let's do it backwards, all right? You got the big chicken patty. Who the hell's talking? Yeah, you got the big chicken patty here. Let's see how big this mother is right here. And they put some bacon on top too. Look at that. Wow. They put a lettuce, and they put some of that mayo or ranch or Asiago sauce, whatever the hell they call it, and sneak in a little tomato at the bottom of the bun. Actually, that's the top. You understand? So let's put it back, build it back the way it was, and let's push in this lettuce, and let's see what this mother tastes like. All right. So let me see. Let's see what Wendy tastes like. Nice and shiny. All right. Now, they actually give you a real piece of chicken. This looks like a real piece of chicken breast. It's not that form stuff. I lost the receipt. So, yeah. This sandwich cost me about $6 something, which I think is, you know, I don't know if it's worth it, but you know, we'll see, right? Let me go eat it out. So far, so good, Wendy. Not bad, actually. Damn, it's a little messy though. Got some dripping stuff going on, see? Some dripping. some of that delicious dripping. Let's see what that tastes like. Yeah, from the back side, you got that sauce going on, man. It's really, really, it tastes like, police. It tastes like friggin', yeah, he's coming now. All right, sorry about that. The traffic police was passing by, and I parked next to the hydrant in front of my house, so I had to get my ass, excuse me, I had to get myself out of there, man. I was enjoying the sandwich peacefully, as you could see, and you know what happens, man. The city, you know, they want money, so they're gonna take advantage, you know. But anyway, so I was eating a Wendy Asiago Spicy Club Ranch sandwich. I don't know if it just came out, but let's continue eating this bad boy, or girl, I should say. Mm-hmm. All right, so what I think about it. I think it's a good sandwich. Let me finish eating the rest of it, because you got that hollow thing going on there with that card. Let me see if I could go up a little bit. Or reverse it a little bit, actually. I gotta go up a bit. Hold on. Okay, there we go. That's better. All right, so a lot of light reflect. All right, so what I was saying, on a scale of 1 to 5, I give the Asiago Ranch Spicy Club Chicken Sandwich a 5. Okay, it's pretty good. I like it. Maybe because it was fresh, who knows, right? A little crunchy inside, but it's an alright sandwich. I don't know why it took me so long to try the sandwich. There it is, man. Thank you, Wendy, for all that you've given us with this meal. She did a great job, all right? Wendy did a great job with that Asiago Ranch Spicy Chicken Sandwich. So right back at you. This is Bob. It's Bob from Food Use, and I see you guys next time. All right, take care. And right back at you. Oh wait, I also came out with some Patreon stuff, because YouTube does not have any more support my channel. They're doing away with it. So what you have to do now, excuse me, that was a good sandwich. I signed up with a Patreon or something like that. Again, yeah, Patreon. So go to Patreon/fooduse. No, Patreon.com/fooduse, and you could help support the channel. And I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. You guys are awesome. All right, let me drink some water, man, before I choke to death. And right back at you guys.